4 Oreos, flour, sugar, baking powder, and Nutella, and a pinch of salt. Okay, let's start. Okay, so first, we're gonna add the Oreos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need a fork. Pour out the milk and then I'll smash the Oreos. Mash. Okay.
Careful.
And it just Now we're gonna need to add some flour. Now we need to add some sugar. We're gonna add some baking powder. Now we're gonna add a pinch of salt. Now this is ready to bake. Here. Let's bring it to the microwave. Now my mom is gonna take the cake out of the microwave. This one is made out of Nabisco chocolate. And this one is made out of Oreos. It's tasty. Now taste. Taste the Oreo. Thank you for watching. Please follow us for more.